In the next lectures, I want to have a look at some of the additional features GPT-4 ships with. So free users can of course watch these videos to get an idea of these features, plus users should switch to the GPT-4 model now. The GPT models have a cut-off date regarding the data the models were trained with. This also applies to GPT-4, as we learned. However, in GPT-4, we also have internet access, so the browsing feature integrated. This means with GPT-4, we are able to retrieve up-to-date information from the internet. One example to demonstrate this to you is this article here on our website, academind.com. This is our Web Development Roadmap 2024, and now I want ChatGPT to access this article and to give me a summary of it. For this, I add a quick instruction and add the link to my message box. As GPT-4 has this web access, it now takes a few seconds until the article is generated. But then ChatGPT provides this quick summary and additionally, again, also the link to the full article. Now let's have a quick look at what happens if I take this same prompt, create a new chat and switch to the default model. So we'll add this same prompt. Now ChatGPT states that it can't access external content directly. That's the difference between GPT-4 and GPT 3.5. GPT 3.5 is limited to the data it was trained with. GPT-4 has these advanced capabilities by accessing the internet. I also want to give you another example now to check whether ChatGPT really accesses up-to-date information. For this, we want to have the current standings of the 2024 Formula 1 World Championship. Now let's see if ChatGPT can also find this information for us. And it comes up with an answer, also describing the first races of the season. But as it's written down here, ChatGPT can make mistakes. So let's double check whether these standings here are the correct ones. So we remember Verstappen 51, Perez 46 and Leclerc 46. And now here I'm on the official Formula 1 website and apparently something is not totally correct here. We see that Leclerc actually is ahead of Perez with 47 points. So the question is, where does ChatGPT get the information from? So we'll state that this is not correct. What is your source for the Drivers' World Championship? So we checked the Formula 1 page, so obviously that's not the source it took here. But if we check out the second link, Sporting News, this is where the problem comes from, because here we have the standings that ChatGPT provided for us. So in this case, ChatGPT didn't have the correct or most up-to-date source. Therefore, this browsing feature is really nice, but as mentioned, double check your information, especially if it's really important information that you need for a specific project, for example.